Fundamentals of Business Communication. Business communication is the process of conveying information between individuals or groups in an organizational context to achieve specific goals, whether verbally, in writing, or non-verbally. Effective communication in business is crucial to ensure smooth operations and the achievement of company objectives. Below are the fundamentals of business communication. 1. Definition of business communication. Business communication encompasses all forms of communication that occur within the workplace or business environment. It can involve communication between employees, supervisors, colleagues, customers, suppliers, and other external parties. Business communication can take place in various formats: verbal, written, and non-verbal. 2. Goals of business communication. Delivering information. Communication is used to convey important information, such as company decisions, new policies, or financial reports. Enhancing collaboration. Good communication strengthens teamwork, improves interdepartmental relationships, and increases coordination. Building relationships. Business communication also aims to establish stronger relationships between the company and its customers, partners, and external stakeholders. Problem solving. Clear communication helps in resolving issues or conflicts that arise within the organization. 3. Types of business communication. Verbal communication, conveying information through words, which can be done in person, face-to-face, or via other media, telephone, video call, ad. Written communication, using letters, emails, memos, reports, and other documents to convey information in writing. Nonverbal communication, using body language, facial expressions, hand gestures, and other signals to convey messages. This also includes tone of voice and speaking manners. 4. The business communication process. The process of business communication can be explained through a model that involves several components. Sender, the person who sends the message or information. Message, the information or material being conveyed. Channel, the method or medium used to convey the message, e.g., email, meetings, phone calls. Receiver, the person or party receiving the message. Feedback, the response or reaction from the receiver to the message. Noise, barriers that interfere with understanding the message, e.g., technical disruptions, misunderstandings, or cultural differences. 5. Effective business communication. Effective business communication is communication that conveys the message clearly, accurately, and in a way that is understood by all involved parties. Some key principles for effective business communication include: clarity, the message should be conveyed in a clear and easy-to-understand manner. Consistency, the message should be consistent throughout the organization. Relevance, communication must be tailored to the audience, considering the language used, the delivery method, and the chosen medium. 4. Understanding the needs and perspectives of others in communication is essential for building good relationships. Timeliness, delivering messages promptly and responding quickly to feedback also supports effective communication. 6. Barriers to business communication. Several barriers to business communication frequently occur, including physical barriers, such as technical difficulties, noise, or equipment malfunctions. Language and cultural differences, sometimes, differences in language or culture can lead to misunderstandings. Ambiguity in the message, messages that are unclear or ambiguous can lead to confusion for the receiver. Stress or emotion, emotional conditions that are not managed can interfere with the communication process. Lack of feedback, without feedback, the sender may not know whether the message was received and understood.
Responsibility. Business ethics encourages everyone to be accountable for their actions. This responsibility includes not only the result of decisions made but also the impact on others and society as a whole. Concern for stakeholders. Stakeholders in business are not just limited to shareholders or investors, but also include the employees, customers, suppliers, and the community. Business ethics includes concern for the welfare of all these parties and treating them with respect and consideration. Employee safety and well-being. As part of business ethics, companies have an obligation to provide a safe working environment, support the physical and mental well-being of employees, and ensure their rights are protected. Challenges in implementing business ethics. Pressure to make profits. In many industries, companies are often caught up in the pressure to maximize profits, which can lead to unethical business practices. Cultural diversity. Global companies may face challenges in aligning business ethics standards due to differences in cultural values across countries. Dealing with complex decisions. Sometimes, business decisions do not have a clear ethical solution, and companies must consider long-term impacts as well as moral principles in making decisions. Conclusion. Business ethics is an important foundation in running a successful and sustainable company. Not only focusing on financial gain, business ethics also emphasizes the importance of maintaining fair and responsible relationships with all parties involved in business activities. By implementing strong business ethics, companies can create a greater value, both for themselves and for the wider community.